We have created an app that will play back a soundscape to the patient. We have enabled dynamic controls, so the soundscape can change and flow as the treatment of the patient occurs. So the clinician or the patient themselves or the family member can change and shape the soundscape to best present the content to the state of the patient right now.
We've starting testing the app with patients with the help of the doctors at Hôpital Sainte-Anne in Paris. So we've started a few tests on the patients, but we also formally started a clinical trial on it. So we've applied for the medical protocols and the ethical authorization to actually test the device. It's a very critical environment, intensive care. You have people who are in coma who might be at risk of dying. So it's very important to do this in the proper medical way to test this thing. And I think as scientists as well, it's very unique to be able to try the outcome of an artistic process in a context which is such a highly critical context. So it's very interesting for us as well. So we had an ongoing conversation with the team at Sainte-Anne, which is Dr. Tarek Charchar and Martine Gavare. But we were getting stuck a bit on issues that were a bit beyond our realm of confidence. You know, it's like, how do you do a sound that's 24 hours long? You know, how do you do a sound that's both functional and acceptable by the patient? And for all of this, we scientists are the best equipped for this task, I think. And that was really a great opportunity for us as well to bring in an artistic point of view on this.
Joe and I had an interest in this field, and we had kind of identified the potential for our skill set, which is to create things like JJ is explaining, long-form music and audio, which can change and be adapted. And we identified the need in the medical field for this kind of thing. So we had already started thinking down this line, but actually these things are always to be designed for the place that they are used. And so it only could come around when we were able to interface with the hospital, with the actual neuroscience team to get the real data, understand the actual situation, and then we were able to design something to really fit in with this need.
I suppose the ultimate goal of the Soundscape app, which initially we are trying to help coma patients and reducing anxiety, which is a real factor in the survival from coma. But reducing anxiety is a goal that can be applied to so many people in this modern society and world. And in the future of the project, perhaps we'll find ways not just to spread it around hospitals, but into people's houses and lives, and just try and create a positive impact.